Welcome to the section Deep Dive into Travel and Tourism. Traveling is exhilarating. Seeing the world for yourself and sharing this experience with people is something that only the travel and tourism industry offers. Careers in travel and tourism can be exciting and adventurous. A career in this industry is essentially concerned with providing services for people who are away from home, on business or on a holiday. It has a lot to do with customer servicing as it is a part of the hospitality industry. It requires assessing the requirements of tourists and businessmen and helping them make their best possible travel arrangements from a variety of travel options available. It can involve taking people to new places, assist with accommodation, help with other activities, and many other things. With an industry as broad as traveling, there is high chance that students will find a niche where their knowledge of travel and tourism could be applied. Let's look at the top 10 countries that earn the most from the tourism in the world. These are USA, Spain, France, China, Italy, Thailand, UK, Australia, Macau, and Turkey. Let us now look at the courses offered for travel and tourism. It is very important to know which travel and tourism course to choose as it will decide how efficiently students can get the success in their life. Some of the famous undergraduate courses in travel and tourism are BA in Travel and Tourism Management, BA in Hospitality Travel and Tourism Management, BA Tourism Studies, Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management, Bachelor of Tourism Administration, BSc in Travel and Tourism Management, BSc in Hospitality and Travel Management, BBA in Travel and Tourism Management, BBA in Hospitality and Travel Management, BBA in Air Travel Management, and more. Curriculum of a travel and tourism program depends on the course a candidate wants to pursue, like degree, diploma, or certificate. Functioning of the travel and tourism industry in the modern society, fundamentals of travel and tourism, Indian cultural heritage, organizational behavior, Indian economy, economic realities and business and taxation laws on both national and international levels, concepts involved in international tourism, and more. Who is eligible to make a career in this industry? Candidates should clear grade 12 in any stream from a recognized board with a minimum aggregate percentage. Admission process generally varies across colleges. Majority of the institutes provide direct admission based on the candidate's performance in grade 12. Now, let's take a look at some of the top colleges in India for travel and tourism. Christ University, Bangalore, Amity University in Noida, Mumbai, Kolkata, Greater Noida, and Dubai. Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, Navi Mumbai, University of Lucknow, National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior, etc. Other colleges are Chandigarh University, Punjab, International Institute of Hotel Management, all campus across India, Lovely Professional University, Punjab, and GEMS Art and Science College, Kerala. There are several institutes around the world that offer high-quality education for travel and tourism courses. Some of the well-known institutes to study travel and tourism abroad are USA, Arizona State University, Florida International University, and Michigan State University. The average yearly fee for travel and tourism courses is between $38,000 to $48,000. UK, University of Lincoln, University of Greenwich, University of Chester are few examples. The average yearly fee for travel and tourism across courses in these universities would vary between £12,500 to £15,500. Canada, University of Alberta, University of Calgary, Vancouver Island University are some of the examples. The average yearly fee for travel and tourism courses here is approximately $30,000 to $49,000 Canadian dollars. Australia, Griffith University, the University of Queensland, and University of Technology, Sydney are among the examples. The average yearly fee for travel and tourism courses here would vary between 35,000 to 42,000 Australian dollars. New Zealand. University of Otago, Auckland University of Technology or AUT University, Lincoln University are among the recognized names. The average yearly fee here for travel and tourism courses is between 26,000 to 43,000 New Zealand dollars. Now let's move on to admission process. Most of the Indian institutes give admission to students on merit basis. However, few colleges conduct entrance tests for the course. Successful graduates of the course interested in higher studies within the discipline have the choice of pursuing MA in the subject. During their masters, they can choose any specializations like MBA Tourism and Hotel Management, MBA Travel and Tourism, Masters in Tourism Management, Masters in Travel and Tourism Management, Master in Hospitality and Tourism Management, and many more. Other than degree courses, the students also have options for advanced level diploma in the field. People wishing to step into the research field to have a career in the education sector and work as professors or lecturers may choose MPhil or PhD courses in the subject. Let's talk about the skills required to enter the field. With the help of academic and vocational training that is being offered, candidates will be able to understand the sort of relations between consumers and the tourism service providers and several other concerning factors to tourism, such as social responsibility and sustainability. The courses allows one to gain certain necessary skills, like few of them here are presentation skills, ability to work towards deadlines, leadership, team working, the ability to research, problem solving, communication skills with a stronger customer focus, etc. Now, let's talk about the career opportunities. After successful completion of the course, candidates can find ample amount of job opportunities in many fields. With this degree, they can join the Tourism Department of India. They can also work in travel agencies where they accompany the passengers in exploring various places and cities. They can work at top-notch hotels of India and abroad and be the host for various clients. As one of the world's strongest and largest economic sectors, travel and tourism creates jobs, drive exports and foreign revenue, and generates prosperity across the world. One can find numerous major and discrete areas that are full of outstanding opportunities, which are ancillary services associated with tourism, arts and culture, outdoor recreation, hotels, food and beverage, airline, transport, conference and conventions, ecotourism, etc. Some of the traditional career paths in travel and tourism are holiday and travel agent, tourism manager, travel officer or travel agency coordinator, travel counselor or travel consultant, airline staff, tourist guide, transport officer, etc. Some of the associate careers are working in airlines, working in hotels and resorts, etc. Some new age career paths are entrepreneurship, retailer or franchisee, freelance writers, travel blogger, and many more. There are a number of companies catering to the travel and tourism sector, from airline carriers to cruises to railways, etc. Channels like Discovery or Nat Geo host a lot of travel shows like Man vs. Wild, street food around the world, and a lot more. Most states have boards for tourism which are looked after by the Ministry of Tourism. There are private organizations which have been arranging tours and offering complete services for travel and tourism operations. Organizations have grown phenomenally to become almost the main channel to book travel tickets. Some of these companies are Make My Trip, GoIbibo, Cleartrip, State Tourism Boards, cruise ships, hotels, airlines, and Ministry of Tourism. Deep dive into travel and tourism. For in-depth information about admission process, deadlines, career opportunities, pros and cons of the career, please refer to the reading material. See you in the next section.